Hi everyone, welcome back to Auto News. Today, we've got something super exciting for all you farming and gardening enthusiasts out there. We're talking about the newly launched 2025 Honda Mighty 13 Mini Tractor. Yes, you heard that right, a Honda is back with a powerful little beast that's perfect for small farms, orchards, gardens, and more. So let's dive right into the details and see what makes the Mighty 13 such a game changer. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. First off, let's talk about design. The Mighty 13 stays true to Honda's reputation for quality and reliability, but this time in a compact form. It's got a bold and practical look, built tough, but not bulky. The ergonomics are spot on, making it super easy for operators of all sizes to handle. Its small footprint makes it perfect for narrow lanes, small fields, and areas where traditional tractors just can't go. Under the hood, the 2025 Honda Mighty 13 packs a punch with a 13 horsepower, 4-stroke engine. Now you might be thinking 13 horsepower doesn't sound like much, but for a mini tractor, it's actually perfect. The engine is tuned for low-end torque, which means you get solid pulling power for all kinds of tasks: ploughing, tilling, hauling, and even running light attachments. And since it's Honda, you know the engine is built to last with minimal maintenance. One of the biggest highlights of the Mighty 13 is its fuel efficiency. This machine sips fuel like a pro, making it ideal for long hours in the field without burning a hole in your pocket. Plus, Honda's advanced engine technology ensures fewer emissions, so it's a greener choice too. Now let's talk about features. The Mighty 13 comes with a multi-speed transmission that lets you switch gears easily depending on the task. Whether you're cruising along a dirt path or powering through tough soil, this tractor adjusts smoothly. It also includes a reliable PTO, power takeoff, system, allowing you to connect various implements like rotavators, water pumps, and small trailers. This really turns the Mighty 13 into an all-round workhorse. Comfort-wise, the seat is well cushioned and the controls are all placed intuitively. Even if you're using it for several hours straight, you won't feel worn out. The suspension and tires are also designed to provide better grip and stability across different terrains, from muddy fields to dry patches. And what about pricing? While official figures may vary slightly depending on your location, Honda has kept it fairly competitive. Given its features, durability, and the brand trust, the Mighty 13 is offering excellent value for money. So, whether you're a small-scale farmer, a gardener, or someone looking for a compact and dependable tractor for your land, the 2025 Honda Mighty 13 is absolutely worth checking out. It's smart, strong, and efficient, just what you need in today's modern farming world.